Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. So here we are at the final session of Planet Under Pressure 2012. And if you will forgive me, I'd like very much to make a personal statement to you. I'd like to say that it's been a great privilege and an honor to be your conference moderator. So thank you very much for having me. And I've also got a little confession to make. And the confession is this: it's kind of difficult in front of this audience, that I started this conference as a skeptic, and I end the conference converted. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking I was a climate change skeptic, right? Now, no right-thinking person could be a climate change skeptic. That's not at all what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this little thing, the iPad. I was a deep skeptic that this whole electronic questioning iPad, Twitter, tweet business would work. I was worried that there wouldn't be many questions. I was worried that the questions would be no good. I was worried that the whole system would collapse, and indeed, at one point, it did collapse. And I was wrong, because your questions were amazing. And your questions were a huge help to me, so thank you very much. And I want you to know from the organizers that they were not in vain, even though only a tiny fraction were actually aired on the stage. Because my friend and helper, Andrew Merry, over there, the absolute brilliant genius Andrew Merry has written a blog based around the questions that you've sent in. He's categorized them. He's put a whole analytical framework on them, as you would expect of a budding scientist. And that's already up on the Planet Under Pressure blog. And in the next few days, after he's had a bit of sleep, he's going to collate the whole lot of questions, all 500 plus, and put them on a wiki, so you can find the link via the website. And the reason for that is we want to hear your answers now to the questions that are up there. So you may have disagreed with some of the answers that people put up on the stage, and some of the questions didn't get aired. So we want to continue the dialogue. This is all about dialogue, isn't it? So please, let's continue the dialogue by way of the questions. And from my point of view, the electronic questions were definitely a winner. So thank you.